It's the late 1960s. Porsche and Volkswagen have joined forces to create a vehicle that would bring Porsche performance to a wider audience. The result? The Porsche 914. Initially seen as unconventional, the Porsche 914 has grown into a cult classic, cherished for its unique styling and driving dynamics. This mid-engine sports car broke the mold, combining striking design, precise handling, and affordability. During its 7-year run, the Porsche 914 became one of the best-selling sports cars in the world, most of them being sold right here in the US. At Porsche Tucson, we hope to honor this legacy during the 2025 Porsche Restoration Challenge. Follow us as we work to transform this 1972 Porsche 914, preserving its character while enhancing its performance, celebrating its innovation, craftsmanship, and the endearing bond between Porsche and its fans.